Good morning, everybody. Today is July the 20th, 2022. Here in the suburb of Salt Lake City, it is raining now, and this is kind of rare because, as you know, the summer in Utah is very hot, very dry, and it does not usually rain. So, as you can see, there's a rain pouring in here. This is the image in the front of our home here in the suburb of Salt Lake City, and it's a good rain, and we really need it because the state of Utah have been experiencing drought, and we really need water. So we've been limiting on watering the lawn, trying to conserve the water. That's why our grass kind of turned yellow in some area, so you can see that. So this is a much needed rain, and it's very good for all of us here in Utah. I really like the rain, especially the rain in the summertime. Kind of cool it down a little bit because it's been really hot these last couple of weeks. So we had like days over 100 degrees, and it's very hot and dry here in Utah, the state of Utah. You can see here there in the back here, there's more rain here, so it's going to be good for the flowers, the fruit trees, and our vegetable garden on the other side, on the north side of the home. So I don't want to get wet and go out and kind of film the vegetable garden, but you can see from here we have a lot of fruit tree in the back here. So this is a mild needed rain. We have this flower pot here. We have to water by hands every day, but today look like we don't have to do it because of the rain. So we have those fruit trees. We got a lot of pear, Honeycrisp apple, 2 pears. We have 2 jujube trees, Lee, and then we have Asian pear. We have 3 cherry here in the back. And here's the view from the top of our home, going over the neighbor home there. You can see my neighbor have very nice vegetable garden and flower beds. So, and you see the big trees in the background there. Those are the neighborhood with the gated community and the big mansion. So this is from the north side of the home. You can see our trampoline, our gardens, and you can see the neighbor backyards from here. So here's the view from the room on top of the garage here, facing west. You can see all the neighbor here, all the neighbor homes. And here's a view from my sunroom facing east. You can see kind of foggy there, but on a nice day you can see the whole Warsight Mountain, even the little Cottonwood Canyon where there are Snowbird Ski Resort, Summer Resort, and Alta Ski Resort up there. All right, here's the other view of the rain here from our master room here on the north side. You can see there's a vegetable garden, fruit tree. We got one persimmon, one peach, two pears, and then one Fuji apple here. And under this tree you can see I have those vegetable garden pots here. So, and then still raining, and you can see the neighbor there